Welcome everyone to this vlog series. In this video we are taking care of my daily. Today's car wash might actually be illegal, and I'm saying might because I'm not quite sure if the law has actually been voted for or is just in the process of being implemented. So yeah, if it has been voted for and we get caught, it might be the most expensive car wash I ever have to pay for. In this heat, that was challenging. So let's get in the unit to clean the interior. It actually took me a couple of hours longer than expected to complete the washing. However, the car turned out fine. Check it out. And the next thing to do on the list is an oil change. As you might be able to tell from the haircut, it's actually been a couple of days since washing the car and making the previous videos. But hey, that's life. So let's get into it. I've officially run out of car jacks, so I need to get the wheels back on the Mini, get it on the ground, and then raise the Polo. Since I'm actually going to be rotating the tires, I will loosen up the wheels before raising the car to make our life easier. Finally, the Polo is on the air. I have actually left both hydraulic jacks under it and in total 5 jack stands, as it seems a bit sketchy, so yeah, hopefully we'll be okay. this feeling, somebody's watching me. Time for expert mode. Success! Final job for the day is to replace the gearbox mount. I got a new one from the dealership, so I'm going to start taking everything apart on the gearbox side until I get to the mount. The past couple of weeks, I'm actually debating whether or not to keep the Polo or to actually sell it and get something, let's say, more fun. It turned out to be a very reliable car. Currently has 145,000 kilometers. And the only thing I'm changing apart from normal maintenance is the gearbox mount. So yeah, it's economical, it's reliable, so why sell it? I guess I'm kind of bored of it. What I'm actually thinking to replace it with, it's an Italian small, unreliable car, but fun. I have actually not decided yet. I'm not sure at the end if I'm going to sell it or not. I don't know, what do you think? Comment below, shall I keep it, shall I sell it? It will be a mistake, it will be, why not, YOLO. Any feedback is appreciated. As you can see, the old mount has not completely torn apart. However, it's very soft, it makes the squeaky sound. That's why we're replacing it. Also, the part numbers of the two mounts are different. It seems that the new one is an improvement. You can see it has a solid feel inside, whereas this one, it's an open design. And yeah, let's get it on. The hardest thing was to actually clean all that dirt and grime. I got most of it off, and next time that I will be cleaning the engine bay, hopefully the rest will come out, so check it out. We are at our final stop, the petrol station. It's actually 1 o'clock at night. This took a little longer than expected. We got rid of the squeaky sound that had developed in the past couple of weeks due to the gearbox mount. The Polo also had the timing chain done in the dealership a couple of weeks ago. I've replaced the brakes also a month ago. So yeah, should be good to go. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Take care.